We have detected 5 missiles coming in from North Korea and its allies to invade us and start a new Korean war. Please take your safety precautions and stay safe. The troops are closing in the South North Korean border. Our army is trying to back off these invasion troops. The 5 missiles are going to hit the following cities: Seoul, Busan, Daegu, and Incheon. We repeat, if you are in the following cities. Please take immediate shelter. Now these missiles are going to hit in 8 minutes local time. Please stay safe and be tuned to your local or national news. If not possible, use a battery-powered radio to get updated. Any radio station will pass this exact same alert. Now, signing off.